Welcome to Cairo, a city where ancient history and modern life collide. From the awe-inspiring pyramids to bustling bazaars, Cairo is a treasure trove of culture, history, and adventure. Let's dive into the best of this incredible city. First stop, the Pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Stand in awe of the Great Pyramid of Khufu, explore the smaller pyramids, and don't forget to snap a photo with the enigmatic Sphinx. It's a bucket list experience you'll never forget. Pro tip, visit early in the morning to beat the crowds and the heat. Next, head to the Egyptian Museum in Tahrir Square, home to over 120,000 artifacts, including the treasures of Tutankhamun. This museum is a must-visit for history buffs. The Golden Mask alone is worth the trip. Step into the vibrant el-Khalili Bazaar, a labyrinth of shops selling everything from spices to handmade jewelry. Haggle like a local, sip on mint tea, and soak in the lively atmosphere of this historic market. Explore Islamic Cairo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with stunning mosques and medieval architecture. Visit the Al-Azhar Mosque, the Mosque of Ibn Tulun, and wander through the narrow streets of this historic district. Discover the rich Christian heritage of Coptic Cairo. Visit the Hanging Church, the Coptic Museum, and the Ben Ezra Synagogue, one of the oldest Jewish temples in Egypt. It's a fascinating glimpse into Cairo's religious diversity. Take a break from the city buzz with a Nile River cruise. Whether it's a traditional felucca or a dinner cruise, sailing on the Nile is a magical experience. Enjoy the sunset and watch the city lights come alive. Modern Cairo is just as captivating. Stroll through Zamalek, an upscale island neighborhood filled with cafes and art galleries, or explore downtown's Art Deco buildings and vibrant street life. Venture beyond Cairo to Saqqara, home to the Step Pyramid of Djoser, and Memphis, the ancient capital of Egypt. These sites offer a quieter but equally fascinating look at Egypt's ancient history. Cairo is a city that will leave you in awe, where every corner tells a story and every moment is an adventure. Which of these experiences are you adding to your itinerary? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Join our community of explorers and get inspired for your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new travel tips, guides, and hidden gems. Plus, check the description for easy booking links to these amazing destinations. Safe travels, and see you on the next journey.